please stand for the pledge?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hey, Wasatch, my name is Ezra Heckman, and I'm your student body president.
And I'm Parker Loosley, your vice president.
Thanks for everybody coming to the assembly. We hope you had fun.
Here are some notes from the office.
Hello, Wasatch. I hope you're having a great morning. Just a couple things to talk about. First of all, hope you enjoyed the assembly. You want to be in the auditorium next time? Well, the secret is you get whatever class the SBOs tell you is the class, and they say, hey, whoever has the most participation out of your 6-period class, for example, those 5 classes are the ones that get to participate in the assembly live. And it sounds better, it looks better, and is better to be in the auditorium. So the more you participate in the lunchtime activities to qualify to get into the assemblies, the better for you. So that's how you get in there. Also, make sure you give your SBOs feedback on what you'd like to see more of in the assembly, or maybe some different ideas of fun things to do. All right. So the real reason I'm here is to discuss a little bit about lunchtime. First of all, eating outside. If you want to eat outside, you got to clean up after yourselves. It's that simple. It's not my job to clean up after you. It's not even the custodian's job to clean up after you. You're the ones eating, and you're the ones making a mess. And leaving food all over the ground creates it so that critters, ants, mice, rats, whatever else, want to live here. And we don't want those animals to live here. So clean up after yourselves. We're going to give you another chance tomorrow to eat outside. And if you can handle yourselves, then we'll continue to do so. Otherwise, we won't. The other thing to remember is that there is no food outside on the field on the north side of the building. You've heard me say, hey, put your food away. That includes drinks, the bottles out of the vending machines. Please just put all that stuff away, water bottles, and then enjoy yourself, and then finish it in the lunchroom or come back into the lunchroom and eat it. I don't have a problem with that, but no food or bottles, those kind of garbage type trash creating items out on the north field. And also, second lunch, for some reason, had more difficulty than first lunch, but it's your responsibility to bring the balls back too. So I shouldn't have to walk all the way across the field to get a soccer ball or a football that's just left out there. If that's happening anymore, then you won't have balls. It's that simple. You can go outside and sit on the grass and roll around the little tiny hill or whatever you want to do out there, but you won't have any balls to play with. So bring the balls back. I don't play with them, and you're the ones using them, so bring them back. It's that simple. All right. With that, have a great day, Wasatch.
Come join the Future Problem Solvers group. They will meet every Thursday at 3 in Dr. Allen's room 210.
Please always check the lost and found table in the front office. It is a good idea to always put your name on your belongings. Little items we keep in the office. All items are cleaned off the table at the end of each month and taken to Goodwill. So keep an eye out for anything you are missing.
Attention Wasatch Cross Country Team. Due to mandatory district meeting Mr. Peterson must attend, there will be no practice after school today. Get some much deserved rest after that most excellent meet yesterday. And we'll see you on the field on Monday. Rest well and go Warriors.
Thanks for being here.
Have a Thursday.
Yeah.